Rubus parvifolius, agroplants.org, also known as Australian native raspberry. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like it, of course do like. You have a link below or link in the right top side. It's a purchase button, and if you purchase, this is donation for this channel. So this plant, it's a perennial deciduous plant, but in warmer climate can be evergreen. It grows as vine and can be designed as a shrub, a little bit harder. There is some thorns, and it can grow in temperate, subtropical or Mediterranean climate, growing in a hardiness zone from 4 until 10. Leaf color green in a shape oval, margin serrated. Some leaves can grow in a group of 3. Flowers white, flowers 1 until 3 centimeter with 5 petals. Fruits. This is the relevant part. The plant is edible and the fruits are edible. The fruits are red and like other raspberries or other rubus, blackberries also, they are assembled together. Fruits stay with the torus. So how to grow it? So better to trellis it on something, prune in a way that it will be easy to pick up the fruits because of the thorns. Also how to care, it's for I would say that pruning is the most important thing, and controlling the growing of the plant. It can grow crazy, and maybe you should consider to moderate the growth. Also to put some fertilizer and mulch and organic matter. It's not must to start by cutting, but it's really hard to start by seeds. So if you want to ensure the quality of the fruits, and it's not just quality, it means the size of the fruit, the amount of juice, that will be the same as you taste it and not will be something really not amazing. You should start by cutting or bending the stems on the soil. Planting season can be from the winter to the summer, and usually to plant it, it's a bigger hole with a lot of organic and rich material, humus. Mix it all together in the plant and just put something that the plant could trails on it. Major pests are raspberry mites, aphids. This is for the plant. Pruning season, it's autumn to winter, better in the winter. Pruning, it's design the shape of the plant and old stems. Size of the plant will be from 2 until 5 meters, so it means 6 until 15 feet. In the right condition, it's a fast growing plant that require average to big amount of water. Light condition will be in full sun, and it's not really possible to grow it indoor, maybe on the window itself. I prefer to grow it in a container, maybe because it's easier to control the plants. Better to have like 10 gallons will be okay. It's been 50 liters. It's actually 45 or something like this, but it's possible to grow it in smaller. Also, don't forget to switch the soil once in a while, or at least part of it. Use good soil with good drainage, it's important. And don't forget to put fertilizer. Blooming season will be in the spring, can be also in the summer, sometimes I saw it. Except this, the fruit, it's in the summer and even rarely in the autumn. Major pests are the birds. You can eat it raw, cakes, cooked, or juice. There isn't special requirement except to pick it up. Usually if you start by cutting, year after it's bear fruit. If you start by seeds, more into 3 to 5 years until it's established well. If you start by cutting, you can do it by cutting or bending the branch over and covering it with some soil. Better to do it in the spring, but actually I saw these days that we are right now in the summer here, it's grow very well and establish very quickly. It's take a few weeks to establish the roots, and after this you can cut the root, cut the connection between the mother plants to the new plant. Don't forget to do it in with moist soil, and except this there isn't something special about these cuttings. For conclusion, it's very lovely fruits, uh, not hard to grow, bear a lot of fruits. Uh, I saw until now that it's not amazing in the competition against other rubus like boysenberry that trying to kill it all over the time. So apparently they are stronger than these plants. It's not the thorn are not really crazy, but this is kind of a hybrid of this plant, and not exactly the Rubus parvifolius. It's like a hybrid with something, and I don't have a clue what, but it's actually growing the same. I'm very fond of this plant, and I try to make more right now. That's all from growplants.org. Don't forget to subscribe, visit our website, and of course, if you have any question, just ask. You have here links about more videos, some lists, subscribe, and of course purchase a plant, and this is donation for our channel. I hope you enjoy and come visit us again.